Good morning, children. Please open up your computer reader on page number 56. Today we will read and understand lesson number 5, Fun with Paint. This lesson will come in your final exam, so please write on the top of this page, final exam. Now in this lesson, we will cover up few topics and we will omit few topics. Okay, so you have already learned Paint software in class 2. Okay, so in this chapter we will learn recapitulation of skills learnt in Paint software, drawing different shapes, call out shape, using color picker tool. We will omit few topics that I will tell you later. And then we will also learn resizing, skewing the picture, zooming the picture, different file formats supported by Paint, and lastly we will learn saving a file in a different format. So let's begin to read the lesson. Children, in the previous class you have studied MS Paint and the various tools provided by it. The Paint program has many tools that help us to draw and color the picture. Let us recall the tools that you have already learnt in the previous class. Now here is a list of tools which we have used in the class 2. Let us revise. Line tool, rectangle tool, oval tool, polygon tool, fill with color tool, pencil tool, eraser tool, airbrush tool, select tool. And all these tools are described here. We draw straight lines with the help of line tool. We can draw a rectangular or square shape with the rectangle tool. We can draw oval or circles with the help of oval tool. We can draw polygons with any number of sides with polygon tool. Now when you have drawn a picture, if you want to fill color in an object, you have to use fill with color tool. Then the pencil tool helps us to draw free form lines or curves. Eraser tool helps us to erase any part of our drawing. Now the airbrush is used to spray paint on an area. And the select tool is used to select any part of the picture that you want to change. Okay? Drawing different shapes. We can use Paint to add different shapes. The ready-made shapes are available in the shapes group on the ribbon. Now these are the ready-made shapes which are available in the shapes group. You might have used all these in class 2. Click on any ready-made shape. Press the left mouse button of the mouse and drag the mouse on the drawing area. We can change the appearance of the ready-made shapes. Click on outline and change the outline style. If the outline is not required, select no outline in the outline option. This is your outline option. Click on size to change the line size. That means the thickness of the outline. Click on color 1 to change the outline colors and color 2 to fill the shape. If you don't want to change shape to be filled, click fill and then select no fill option from it. Now call out shape. Children, you have seen normally the dialogues in a comic book. All have seen a comic book. In a comic book are displayed in speech balloons. Let me show you one comic book. Look here. Can you see what is this bird saying to the rabbit? Yes, this speech balloon which is shown here, these are called callouts shape. Okay, so you can add the text in the callout and you can make such a good nice picture. You can see in this book so many callouts are there. These are rounded rectangular callouts. Now look in your reader book, there are three types of callout shapes given in paint program and we can select any one of it. And you can add text inside the callout to decorate your picture. Okay, so you will learn how to use these three callout shapes. Now we are not reading all these things in detail. I will show it to you practically. Let me show you the callouts now, how to draw them. Go to the shapes gallery. Select the first callout shape. Let me draw it. This is the rounded rectangular callout. Now the second one. This is the oval callout shape. Now the third one. It is a cloud callout shape. Now let us fill in color. Now we can also fill color in the callouts and add the text whenever required. So let us select one color and fill it with color with the help of fill with color tool. So now you can see all the three callout shapes and with colors. Now when you want to add the text, what will you do? You will go to the text tool and you can insert text in the callout. You can write down rounded rectangle. Let us write down oval callout. And in the third picture we can write down cloud callout. So in this way, children, you have learned how to use the callout shapes from the shapes group and insert color as well as text in the callouts. Come to page number 58, children. Now using color picker tool, modifying picture, selecting a picture and all these, you don't have to learn about all this. So just put a cross here and write down OMIT, omit. And also on page number 59. Write down omit. Come to page number 6060. Copying and pasting an object. We don't have to learn all this. Flipping the picture. We don't have to do it. Now we will learn resizing or skewing the picture. The size of the picture can be increased or decreased vertically or horizontally in the following ways. Now let me show it to you practically. Look at the screen now. Now children, we will learn the resizing and skewing the picture. You all know that the size of the picture can be increased or decreased vertically or horizontally. And how can we do it? Let's start. First you have to select the drawing by covering its boundary using the select tool. Now here is the select tool. This one. So you have to click on the select tool and then you have to cover the picture with the boundary. Now after you have covered it with the boundary, select the resize option in the image group. Now this is your resize option, and when you click on it, it is written horizontal and vertical. Now let me change the size of the image. Let me put it 200. Now when you click on OK, you can see the picture has enlarged. This is called resizing and skewing the picture. Now we will learn how to use the zoom option to increase and decrease the view size of the object on the screen. Now come to page number 61. Hope you have followed using resize and skew option. How can you increase or decrease the size of the image. Now we will learn zooming the picture. Zoom means to increase or decrease the view size of the object on the screen in any ratio. Now I am drawing a clown on the screen and I will show you how to zoom that picture. And you will also try it out on your desktop today. Alright, now look at the screen. You will see a picture. I have tried to draw the picture of the clown. You can also try out to draw it. Now we are learning how to zoom the picture. You know that zoom means to increase or decrease the view size of the object on the screen. Now what you have to do, children, you have to click on the zoom in option which is present on the view tab to increase the view size. Now I'll show you where is the view tab. Here, can you see VIEW? This is the view tab. When you click on it, you will get two options: zoom in, zoom out. Okay. Now when you want to increase the size of this image, what will you do? You will click on zoom in. Let me do it now. Can you see the picture? It has increased in the size. Now you want to zoom out. Let us click on this option, zoom out. Yes. And once more, if I click zoom out, what will happen? The image will be seen very small. So by using zoom in and zoom out options, you can increase or decrease the size of the object on the screen. Now come to page number 62 and let us quickly read different file formats supported by Paint. The Paint program opens and saves a file in the following formats. BMP means bitmap, JPEG means Joint Photographic Expert Group, GIF means Graphics Interchange Format, TIFF means Tagged Image File Format, and PNG means Portable Network Graphics. Now very quickly I will brief you about all these formats. You have to learn the full forms of all these. Now the bitmap file is also known as bitmap image file, and it is large in size, and the image which is created is very rich in color and high in quality. But when you resize it, what will happen? It will lose the quality and the picture will be blurred. The JPEG is the most popular image file format as it supports around 16.7 million colors. Okay, and it is the most ideal format for rich color photographs which is used nowadays. GIF is mostly used for animations. Okay, this is only used for animations, and it supports 256 colors. Now TIFF is the standard file format, and it is also popular among graphic artists, publishing industries and photographers. You don't have to learn much about all these, only you need to know these names. PNG format is mainly used for images on the web, and PNG images do not lose their quality on editing them. Okay, but bitmap loses its quality when we resize them. So which is better out of these two? Yes, PNG is better than bitmap. Now we will learn about saving a file in different format. It is very important to save your drawing after finishing the work. So now let us learn how to save your image, your drawing on the screen. Look at the screen now. Now children, it is very important to save your drawing after you finish the work, so that you can share it with your family and friends. So now you have to learn how to save the drawing. You have to click on File tab and choose the Save option, or you can click on the Save icon on the Quick Access toolbar. Now let me show you where is the Save icon. Here can you see this icon? Just besides the undo button there is a icon Save, this one. You have to click on that icon and you will get with which file name you want to save it. You can put your name or you can put the title like a clown, and then you have to click on this Save button. Okay, So you have saved the picture, and that will be seen on the top of the screen. It is written a clown. On the title bar you have saved it, and whatever you have with whatever name you have saved, it will be seen on the title bar. Clear? So you try out this, how to draw the clown, and this is your homework for today. Children, you have to remember the shortcut keys to create a new file, to open an old one, and how to save a file. This is Ctrl plus N, Ctrl plus O, and Ctrl plus S respectively. And when you want to close the Paint program, you have to press Alt plus F4 key combination. So write down remember on the top of this, and you have to read it one or two times so you remember it better. Now I will send you the pic of the back exercise of this lesson, and please complete the back exercise of this lesson. I will be sending you this assignment today. Hope you have done the assignment which was sent yesterday to you. And if you have not done it, please do it neatly in your computer classwork notebooks. Alright.